Zoho Books tutorial. Let's get started. First things first, head over to the Zoho Books website and sign up for their free 14-day trial. Yes, free. Who doesn't love free stuff, right? Fill in your details, name, email, password, and boom, you're in. Don't forget to confirm your email to activate your account. Without that, it's like signing up for the gym but never showing up. Now that you're in, it's time to set up shop. Click on the little gear icon, top right corner, and select Organizational Profile. Enter your business info, name, address, and whatever else they ask for. Bonus points if you upload your fancy logo. Makes it look official. Next, meet your dashboard. This is your command center, your financial crystal ball. It shows you stuff like total receivables, payables, income, expenses, and all that grown-up money talk. Explore sections like sales, purchases, banking, and reports. You'll be spending a lot of time here. Let's talk invoices. In the sales section, hit Invoices, then click on New Invoice. Add your customer details, item descriptions, rates, and taxes if needed. Save it or send it right from there. And just like that, you're a professional invoice ninja. Expenses, aka the black hole of your finances. Go to the Purchases section, select Expenses, and log everything. Add vendor details, amounts, categories, and dates. Attach receipts if you've got them. It's like giving your accountant a digital hug. Here's where the magic happens: bank feeds. Go to the banking section and link your bank or credit card accounts. Zoho will automatically import your transactions. All you have to do is match them to your invoices and expenses. It's like Tinder but for your finances. Swipe right to reconcile. If you're billing clients for time, Zoho's got your back. Head to the Projects module, set up a project, and start tracking time with timesheets. You can even link these to invoices, so every minute counts. Literally. Need to know how your business is doing? Go to the Reports section and generate profit and loss statements, balance sheets, or cash flow reports. These reports are like the progress bar of your business, great for seeing how far you've come or how much you've spent on coffee. Save time with automation. Set up recurring invoices or expenses. Go to Sales or Purchases, hit Recurring, and tell Zoho how often to send or log them. Sit back, relax, and let Zoho do the heavy lifting. Finally, teamwork makes the dream work. Go to Settings, Users, and Roles to invite your team. Assign roles like admin or accountant and customize their permissions. It's like giving everyone a key to the house, but only letting some of them into the fridge. And there you have it, your ultimate crash course on Zoho Books. Whether you're a solopreneur or running a team, this tool is a game changer. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. Now, go conquer those finances.